Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to fix authorization failed for NX in MetaTrader 5. Step 1. Update the MetaTrader 5 and make sure you are using the latest version of the app. Open the App Store, search for the MetaTrader 5, and if an update button appears, tap it to install the latest version. Step 2. Clear the app cache if the issue persists. Go to General inside the device settings and head to iPhone Storage. Find the MetaTrader 5 app and tap on it, and select Offload App and confirm the action. Once processed, tap Reinstall App. This may resolve the error. Step 4. Reinstall the app if clearing the cache doesn't work. Go to the app settings, tap Delete App to uninstall it. Then open the App Store, search for the MetaTrader 5 app, and tap the download button to reinstall it. And that's how you can fix authorization failed for NX in MetaTrader 5. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.